Hi guys, I wanted to make this video to show you the problem that I have with MX Silent switches. I bought these MX Silent switches to create a keyboard that's super silent, but the switches keep making this ticking noise, which annoys the heck out of me. And it seems that no one really has had this problem, so I'm going to show you what I mean. This switch here is a looped MX Silent Black. This one is MX Silent Black unlooped. I'm going to press the slider now, waiting for the camera to focus. You can hear this ticking noise it makes. When I turn the switch around, it's silent. When I hold it this way, there's a ticking noise. Now the looped one, ticking, turn it around, silent. And on my keyboard when I'm typing, some switches tick more than others. So I thought my MX Red silent switches wouldn't have these problems from my old keyboard. I desoldered them recently to do a switch swap, and just out of curiosity I did the same test with them. And here's two samples I took. This one, kind of silent this way, silent this way. Now onto this one. This one's ticking as well. Not so much this way, but more this way. The ticking is less when I press together on the switch, like so. Waiting for the camera to focus. There may be a problem with the top and the bottom not being as firmly together as they should, and this could be the reason for the ticking noise. But to be honest, these are cherry switches and the wobble is not so bad, so I don't think this is really the problem. I'm rather thinking it's stem wobble on the I would say y-axis. If you look at the switch like this, then the top to bottom wobble is pronounced on this one. So this is what I suspect, but I don't have any proof for it, and yeah, I'm looking for a solution. I ordered some switch films, but they're only going to arrive in a couple of weeks, so let's see if that helps. Looping didn't do much. So if you have a solution for me, please hit me up. Thanks. Bye.